again, this is Robert Veach here. Let's do the unboxing of this Conair brand men all-in-one rechargeable showerproof trimmer, nose, hair, beard, mustache, and body with travel-ready zipper case to hold all 19 pieces. This is what it came in, this nice box. Has an instruction manual right there, all the information about the product, and this nice holder. We're going to take everything out and show you. And on the base right here, a charging stand. Really nice. Got the rubber silicone feet on the bottom. We're going to test that out. Here's everything out. There's that stand we showed early. There is a little oil that you could use on the blades. Comes with a nice cleaning brush, and it has a USB-A to C cable that we're going to use for charging. And then let's show everything that's all packed in here, all nice. You can see the main unit. It has a head on there already, and all the additional heads right here, and all the different attachments. You can keep it all organized, and when you travel, you just close this up, zipper it up, and you're all set to use it. Let's go over some of the specs of this product. This all-in-one 19-piece kit. Includes all-metal handle, trimmer blade, T-blade, 2-in-1 body groomer, nose, air, trimmer, and precision blades for all-over grooming. Elite performance, hypoallergenic, titanium-coated TN trimmer cutting blades that should help reduce bumps and irritation while delivering durable, long-lasting precision trimming. Skin-friendly 2-in-1 body grooming head. We're going to demonstrate why that's important. If you use it in a sensitive area of your body, it's going to help you not cut yourself. It's showerproof, non-slip design. You could use it right when you're in the shower. It has a 5-hour runtime with high-capacity internal lithium-ion batteries. And again, this organized storage case. Let's start off with the basics. I want to show you this nice charging stand. I just put the included USB-C, the other end USB-A into a 1 amp or greater USB-A port, and then you can just place this in there, and it starts blinking, showing you that it's charging. It'll stop blinking when it's finished. You can also go directly into the charger right on the bottom, and you can plug it in right there also and get the same effect. Really beautiful looking unit. If you look at this, the way they knurled this, high quality. So let's just show you a little bit more about this. This is the head that was on there. And what's cool about these heads is that they're magnetically held on. So there's the drive motor, there's all the waterproof internals in there. This goes close to it and then it locks in place. It's got a little finger grip right there. Hold it like that to turn it on and off. Very nice. And these are the high quality blades. You can see up the precision in there. They got this all knurled and it's all smooth and very quiet. I want to show you there's a travel lock function. All you do is hold this button down a couple seconds, and now you see it's got that other color blinking. So if you're traveling, this can't accidentally be turned on. Then all you do is get out of that mode, you just hold this down, and it's back to a normal shaver. Let's look at some of the other attachments right here. Here's another one right there that magnetically gets pulled in, and that allows you to be really precision for sideburns, things like that. We have a smaller profile so you can get it really in close to your beard or even your eyebrows. Here's another attachment on here that I put on with the magnets, and this is a slightly wider profile, and again this is held on with those magnets just like that. Really nice. Here we have the nose trimmer. It has a little protective guard on there, and this works really well to do your ears and your nose here, and it doesn't yank them out, it actually trims them perfectly. Here for me is the most important attachment. This is the all-in-one body trimmer, and this is unique because you notice it has side cutters for going up and down the hair, and then it also has a foil shaver on there, and the combination of those two allow you to do your body hair. So if I wanted to go right here in my arm, I could trim just like that. Then I could smooth it out by going just like that. Works really, really well. Now we're on the topic of body trim. I'm going to show you something. This is another shaver that I have, and they claim it's for body trimming. Now I'm going to simulate what part of a male anatomy is right here, and how sensitive it could be. So if I go with this and I start to trim, you can see that it starts to cut into the orange. I'm not pushing hard, I'm just going across there. And we know that means you're going to be bleeding in your private area. So you don't want to have that. So that's why they created this. So with this, it doesn't have that sharp edge to cut into you. You could try and cut into it, but it's not going to let you. So they rounded the edge and designed it to be much more sensitive for parts of your body, so that you don't have to worry about getting cuts in your private area. That's what that's for, and that's why that's important. I love that. Now there's various attachments in here. With this particular width, you've got this attachment right here, and this is labeled as 12 millimeter. So you just slide this in like that and lock it in place. Then you have a nice gap there, so that if you want to keep your hairs at a certain length, you could use that for that. So that's the 12 millimeter size. There's another one right in here. This one is labeled 13 millimeter, and it just slips and locks in place just like that. Same concept. Let's move along right here. We got this one right here. This one is 14. And you slide this in just like that and lock it in place. Now if you put the body groomer head back on there, there's attachments right here that allow you to clip these on, and then that gives you an offset in case you want to trim less of the hair, and it is calibrated on there. It has the 3 millimeter, and then this one right here is 5 millimeter. So this is nice if you want to limit the amount of hair that you're trimming, just like the other attachment. Then if you put this head back on, you get this really cool attachment. I've never seen something like this before, where you could dial in the different offsets that you want. That's pretty nice. This is probably my go-to one that I use all the time with this one. Then they've added a second attachment that has even wider gaps on there, so that you could really, if you want, limit the amount of hair. And this would be excellent for trimming your hair for a haircut. And the final attachment fits on there also. This allows you to mechanically slide this down to get different offsets. Again, this would be really good for hair cutting. So I'm just going to demonstrate here using this attachment that I just showed, because I like to keep my hair on the sides trimmed. And I could use this to trim just a slight amount of hair. There's some hair coming off, and then I could dial in the amount that I want to remove. And you do this once a week, and then you end up with your hair being the length that you want, or the width that you want on your sides or on the top. Then of course you can combine that by taking that off and just carefully going around your ears like that. And then you can keep your hair all nice and trimmed, and do that once a week, and you don't have to go to the barber anymore. So after testing, what do you think about the Conair brand, the men all-in-one rechargeable showerproof trimmer, nose, hair, beard, and mustache and body hair trimmer with this great chargeable stand and this holder? Excellent product, as I demonstrated. This case is going to allow you to bring this on when you're traveling and use this anytime during the day or at night. And as I demonstrated, this worked excellent. So I'm impressed with the quality of this. Conair hit a home run with this product. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.